Today with Christopher Hall, defending champion, the Costa Cup winner, Olivia Shield winner. First of all, how are you doing, sir?
Well, I'm doing great, I'm doing great.
Alright, so you guys won the Costa Cup last year and the Olivia Shield. How do you manage to stay fit? Did you play football all year round? Talk to me about the preparation coming into this year's season.
Well, we have a trainer, Junior Samuels. He be doing the right stuff, but we train all season, non-stop.
Yeah. Alright, today you managed to get on the score sheet. You know, having a good performance today, one of the best players out there. What did Lennon show today? And you guys had the better performance in the first half, not managing to complete in the second half. What was the fall off and what did Lennon offer to you guys today?
Well, they were playing like, they were bullying us, they're strong, they're tackling us physically, and that's it.
Alright, what can we look forward to from Christopher Hall and CC for the rest of the season?
Well, I'm just gonna work on my finishing more, because that's the missing piece out of my game.
Alright, I saw you started at centre forward, I saw you on the wings. You also can play midfield, so where would you be playing predominantly this season?
Well, I will be playing outside right, any one of the wings.
Alright, thank you, Christopher.